Customer service jobs are everywhere. Millions of people across the world answer calls, reply to chats, solve complaints, and support customers every single day. But here's a serious question. Will these jobs exist in the same way 5 years from now? Is artificial intelligence coming to assist customer service professionals or to replace them? This video is not meant to scare you. It's meant to prepare you. Why customer service is under AI pressure? Customer service is one of the first industries AI targets. Why? Because customer service is built on repetitive questions, standard responses, scripts, predictable workflows, and these are exactly the things AI does extremely well. Today, AI can answer customer queries 24/7, handle thousands of chats at the same time, speak multiple languages, never get tired, never ask for leave, and costs far less than human teams. That is why companies are moving fast. What AI is already doing in customer service? Let's look at what is already happening, not in the future, right now. AI is already handling live chat support, answering FAQs instantly, managing order tracking, processing refunds and cancellations, handling basic complaints, acting as voice bots in call centers. We've already seen it in action. Banks using AI for fraud detection chats, airlines with bots for flight updates. It's not science fiction. It's here. Many customers today don't even realize they are talking to an AI. Companies love this because faster response time, lower costs, no human errors, higher scalability. This means entry-level and repetitive customer service roles are shrinking. The real risk, not job loss, but skill stagnation. Here is the real danger, not AI itself. The danger is doing the same role for 10 years while the world changes around you. AI will not replace all customer service professionals, but it will replace professionals who do not upgrade themselves. If your job involves reading from scripts, transferring calls, answering predictable questions, then yes, your role is at high risk. According to recent reports, AI could automate up to 30 to 40% of customer service tasks by 2030. That's things like password resets, order tracking, or basic FAQs. Jobs AI cannot easily replace. Now comes the important part. AI struggles with emotional intelligence, complex human judgment, crisis handling, relationship building, trust-based communication, safer customer service roles, escalation managers, customer success managers, relationship managers, retention specialists, complaint resolution experts, B2B customer handling, high-value client support. These roles require human understanding, not just answers. How CSRs can future-proof their careers. If you are working in customer service, this is your opportunity, not your end. Step 1. Move from agent to problem solver. Stop thinking like a call handler. Start thinking like a business problem solver. Step 2. Learn AI tools. Don't fear them. Learn how chatbots work. Learn CRM automation. Learn AI-assisted support tools. Commit to lifelong learning. Aim for 5 to 10 hours a week. Learn AI basics through free courses on EDX or Khan Academy. Those who manage AI will survive. Those who compete with AI will struggle. Step 3. Develop human skills, emotional intelligence, conflict resolution, communication psychology, negotiation, customer retention strategies. Step 4. Expand horizontally. Customer service experience can move into customer success, sales support, account management, product support, training and onboarding. A message to young professionals. If you are entering customer service today, do not treat it as a lifelong destination. Treat it as a launch pad. Use it to learn communication, understand customer psychology, master tools, build confidence, then move up, move sideways, or move smarter. AI is not your enemy. Ignoring change is. Customer service will not disappear. Low-skill customer service will. Those who adapt will grow faster than ever before. Those who resist will struggle silently. The choice is not between AI and humans. The choice is between prepared humans and unprepared humans. If you found this video useful, share it with someone working in customer service. Awareness today can prevent regret tomorrow. You may notice this video is presented using an AI avatar, a simple example of how artificial intelligence is already transforming the way we work and communicate. If you're curious about creating videos without a camera, without editing skills, without makeup, or even using avatars for content or product promotion, I've shared the tool I use in the description below. Now, the important question is not about AI, it's about how we choose to adapt.